First, draw U. Draw a sleeping line like this. Draw some small U's like this. Join these points. Again, draw a U. Now draw a circle. Another circle. Make 2 small circles like this. Draw 2 more circles below. Fill the eyes. Draw 3 lines as eyelashes. Draw 3 seeds on both sides like this, like raindrops. Now draw a small straight line and a U like this, and a small curve. Now fill it half and color it with red and green. So our cube watermelon is ready.
Please subscribe this small channel. Thank you.